Alright, show you how to open a lock if you don't have a key. Alright, first you're going to need to sacrifice a measuring tape. Cut about 1.5 inches, no, about 1 inch. And then you're going to round it off, kind of like a torpedo head. So since I'm doing two, go ahead and cut both of these at the same time. So now we got two of them. You want to shimmy this down a good ways, about 1/2 inch. And if it doesn't want to go, you can get like needle nose, I guess, and just push it down. Be careful because the edges of the measuring tape are pretty sharp, especially the corners, but I got calloused hands, I got man hands, so it don't really affect me, as you can see. Once you got it down, kind of twist it forward. Keep it down, make sure that it stays down. It's going to want to spring back up. Don't let it. Just keep pushing down and twisting. Push down, twist, push down, twist. Alright. That's one complete. Your second one. Push down. Down and twist. So what you're doing is you're shimming the tin in between there so that you can come in between the locking rod and the pin that springs back now. It's a master lock, so it has two of them. Cheaper locks only have one. More high-end, they got two. So you're going to want to get in between the pin and the rod. See, and it separates, and it'll push the pin in. Let's see if I can. Something like this. You can use a soda can, but they're more flimsy and they tend to tear a little more. So what you're doing is you're twisting this. Basically, I wonder if you can shove it in just down the front. No, because it'll hit that. So yeah, you have to come in from the back and slide it around.